Welcome to Educama and congratulations with your Educama Premium upgrade. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit your profile and how you can create a nice visual profile for your institution and all of your programs. First, let's log on to the platform. Today I will sign in as Copenhagen Business School. Log in right here. Type my email and my password. Now, the first thing you see after you're logged in is the news page. This is where you can keep track of all the things that are happening at Educama. To visit your profile, you can either click on the logo in the upper right corner, or you can click at my profile down here on the left side. Let's just click on the logo right here. Now, when you enter your profile, you're redirected to the tab called About This School, which contains a small description of the school. The other tabs are Latest News. Here you can create a post about future school events or other information that are relevant to your followers. You have this different study programs. Shows all the programs that the school is currently offering. Then you see the tab called Present Students, where you can see all the students that are enrolled at the school, and former students. All the former students that have either passed, graduated from a bachelor degree or a master's degree. In order to edit your profile, please tap the Edit Profile button right here. This allows you to change your cover picture, and if you want to change your cover picture, please just tap this one. Here you can add a new and change the old one. Or if you want to change your profile picture, just click on the profile picture button and this window pops up. Now if you want to edit some of the background information that you see right here, you can just say Edit Information. Click at this button right here, and is your login information, the email that is sent to you. You can also edit the school name or the short name. First thing we recommend you to do is to change the password that was sent to you at the beginning. The reason is that the password you received is very simple and below security standards. Also remember that the school name and the short name for the school is very important because it can be used to search in the search field up here. So make sure that you have the right short name for the school and that the school name is correct. Down in About, you have a short introductory text, which is a small description of the school. Our recommendation is to keep the text short and precise. The students are not here to read about information. They're here to read, they're here to meet students. If they want to gain more static information, they can always click onto your website. If we scroll down a bit, you see this part saying Write Menu Parts. Here you can add facts related to the school. Initially we just added a few: number of students, the year when the school was established, email address, the link to the website, and a phone number. You can add more facts right here if you want to, or you can delete the facts that are already present. If you tick this last box, you will allow users to write directly to you as a school. The messages will be sent directly to the email you also use to log on. This email right here. So make sure that you use the right email, the correct email. Now let's try to create a nice premium profile front page for the school that includes nice pictures, videos, Facebook integration, and the like. Let's scroll up at the top at the beginning here. In order to do that, you first need to create a tab. Now, in order to do that, we need to press this button here called Faner. And the first thing you see, this window pops up and you say Create New Faner or Create New Tab. So the first thing you do is to name the tab. Let's just call it welcome. And in order to make it public, you need to tick this box. We don't do that for now. Then after you name your tab, just click Save Changes right here. Now let's go up again to this bottom here saying View Profile. Now you can see this new tab here, Welcome. If you click on it, you don't see anything yet. But if you click the Edit Profile button up here, you see that in this new box arises. If you press this Edit box, you're now able to create a customized front page for your school. And you can see all these different options that show up. The first one is a picture. Now let's put in a nice picture. I say choose picture, and I have a nice picture right here that I want to include. Alright. Now let's say I want to create a video. In order to do that, I need to find the video, YouTube it. In this case, I want to find the introduction video for Copenhagen Business School. This one right here. So I simply just copy the link and choose the option back in my window saying video. And then I simply just copy in the link that I just copied. Bam, and then you have the video right here. Now the next thing I want to do is, let's say I want to include the Facebook group for this school. So let's find Copenhagen Business School. Copenhagen Business School. There it is. Then I simply just copy the link like I did with the video, create new box, and right here I have the Facebook feed. And then I copy in the link, and then you see it. Now, the other thing I can do in order to customize my profile is I can point the mouse down at one of the corners, and then I can actually drag and drop the boxes. So if, for instance, I want to create a nice big picture right here, I do it like that. And in the same way, if I want to have this video a little bit bigger, I just put it here. And customize your profile as you want to. So in this way you can simply, a very simple way, customize the profile that shows the uniqueness of your school. Now this example showed how we edit the information concerning the school as a whole, and how we created a new nice front page that the potential students will meet first time they visit Copenhagen Business School. Let's scroll up again. If we want to edit the information on a particular study program, please choose Edit Information again. Now before you do that, remember after you edited your front page, remember to push this button, Outlook. Now let's edit a study program. I choose Edit Information right here, and I get back into this window as we saw before. Please, in order to change the study program, please choose this drop down menu, and you see all the different programs that we have at Copenhagen Business School. Now I just simply choose the first one. The first thing you see after you chose this is the name of the program. Then you see the level, so that in this case it's bachelor, but it could also be a master's level. Then the final thing, or the other thing you see is subjects related to this program. In this case it's related to communication, information and media, and culture. See, this part is important because it shows up in the education search engine. So if I am in the search engine right here, if I'm a new student looking for a program that's related to culture, this particular program will show up. So it's important that you tag the right subjects to the study program. You can add a maximum of 4 subjects to a particular program. Let's say it was related to math, for instance. Then I would simply write math M, and I see math down here. In the email that was sent to you after you purchase your premium account, there's also an overview of all the different subjects, all the different options that you can choose in this field right here. So from that you can decide which of the 4 options, if you want to have 4 options, that you can include. Now let's go down again. After we selected the subjects, we have the introductory text related to the program. Again, make this simple and easy to read. Like with the school in general, you have right here the different fact boxes. In this we already included a few specific requirements, for instance. Could be, you could also have what it takes to get in at quote 1. You have the number of students, how long it takes, email, phone number, and so on. And like before, you can just keep on adding new facts about the program. Down here you have the address. The most important part is the zip code number. For instance, some schools offer the same program in different cities. So it's important, if you have that you include a new address. So for instance, if this program was also offered in Aarhus, you would type in this zip code number. This is important because students can look up different programs in the search engine in a particular area. So this is extremely important. Well, now we don't need this, so we can delete this again. Yes. Save changes right here. Just check everything is okay. Right. If we want to create a nice visual front page for the school, for the study program, as we did with the school, we can easily do that in the same way as we did before. Just scroll up and use the same tab called Fana right here. Like before, we create a new tab for Fana and we name it. Again, we call it Welcome. Like before, if you want to make it public, you tick this, but do that after you created your front page. Now push Save Changes, go back to View Profile, and now you can see, as with the school, that you have this tab right here called Welcome. Like before, you just push Edit Information, you see this box, and like before, you put in the pictures, the video, or quotes, maps, Facebook integration, just like you want it. And when you're done editing, remember to push Finish right here. So you do this study program by study program. Now if I want to create a new program offered at the school, I can very easily do that as well. Scroll up at the top right here and say Edit Profile, Edit Information, and now you see this text, this box right up here called Create New Profile or Create New Program. I tap on that and I tap the name of the new program that is about to be launched at the school. Let's call it Test 1. I click on that and I see this new window that pops up with all the information that needs to be filled in. So the first thing I do is I type in the level right here called Bachelor. Say it's Bachelor line. I fill in the subjects related to the program. Let's say math, it's one of them. It could be that leadership and economics and finance is the other one. And it could be that culture is the final. Now then I fill in the brief introduction to the course. Again, make it simple and concise. And then right down here I fill in some facts related to the program. It could be phone, it could be requirements, Danish A, math B, and so on. It could be number of students, let's say 200, and so on. At the bottom, you add the address or the zip code where the program is offered. Again, let's say that it's in Copenhagen. Fill in a zip code that's related to Copenhagen. Let's say that the program is also offered in Aarhus. We write in the zip code. The name of the street is not important, either is the city name. And when you're done, just simply save changes, and the new program is created. Go into study programs, and you should be able to see a new program down here calling test 1. If you want to delete a program at your school, let's say that you have a program, let's say that psychology is no longer offered at your program, then you cannot delete your program yourself. Send in a request to the IT department of Educama and we will do it for you. This is simply just a matter of data security. Alright, and this is all I have for now. If you have any questions or problems related to creating your own customized profile, don't hesitate to contact us and we will help you out. Have a nice day. Bye bye.